Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. Write down and make it plain what you truly want right now, Virgo. Skip no lines, as we say on this page. Skip no lines right on the sides, because where you leave open spaces, Spirit has to make them fill-ins. And we're going into the new season. We're asking you, I trust you. I believe in you. What are your requests? What are your prayers? What are you asking for? Because I'm going to give it right to you. Be bold in this moment. Do not cower. Don't think, well, if you want me to have, write down exactly what you want down to the punctuation, and cross your T's, dot your I's. Be bold. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. I exert myself and retain my power. I'm brave. I'm gentle. I do not have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. I love myself. Therefore, I'm loved and respected by others. You show people how to treat you. Treat yourself well. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.